to another swimming spot of videos. See, I swigged my daddy's.
Look, what'd you find? What'd you find? Let me see. Show me. Point. What'd you find?
That one.
Yeah, look. We found all the trains. This is where they live. This is where they sleep. Huh. Don't get on the rail. Don't get on.
What is that?
Don't get on. It's still dangerous. Because these ones still work. Look. Let's walk this way. Come here.
Is that going for a walk?
Ah.
That's going for a walk?
Well, we're going to walk away from the track though, just in case they start moving. Look at all the trains though, man. Look, that is so cool, huh? Look, the big storage containers. So all the trains you see at church, this is where they go. What other places they go? Let's go look, buddy.
That one's cool.
Yeah. Remember, no touching. But we'll just look. Wow. Look at how big that train is. See?
Why is it orange?
Huh?
Why is it packet orange and
Why is it orange?
And they'll have snow and they'll have
Wow, look at that spot. That is so cool. Look, you can see the horns?
Yes.
You can get closer, just don't touch. Look, see the brakes? See, those are brakes. And look, this one's got a lot of gas in it. So that means it probably still use it, so we definitely can't touch it. That cool train.
What's that?
It's moving. The train that we saw earlier. See? Look. So you're going to see it right there. There he is. Look, it's the same kind of engine. This is 1800, that one's 1806. Wow. Come on. So cool, Ash and Thomas. What you think? Stop. Why do you think he stopped? Wow, buddy. Look at all those trains. Look at all that cargo.
They're going backwards.
Oh, they're going backwards.
They're connected there.
You think so? I think you're right. Yep. Whoa! Did you see that?
Yes.
It connected to that one. Wow! It connected to where that green one is. It backed all the way up and bink. There's a little car in front of us, so we can't. This little thing right here, we can't.
Dad raised his first made
You want to see his train go by? So remember, the blue ones... Look, there's a guy. He's working. He's making sure it's connected, I bet. And he's being safe. You wouldn't want to get... Going backwards. Oh, watch out. And he's going to connect more cars. No way. He's already got so many.
What's the smoke? There's the smoke.
There he is. Oh, there's a conductor. Wow.